Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm really excited because I'm going to be giving Karina Garcia's pre-made slimes an extreme makeover. So if you're really excited for this video, as I am, then go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Let's try to get this video to 150 thumbs up. And yeah, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. And share this video with your friends and family. Let's see what they think about it. So yeah, I don't want to get this intro to be like 2 minutes long, so let's get started, shall we? I think we shall. So this first slime we're going to be giving a makeover to is the Slimy Soda Pack Orange Soda by Karina. So I've loved these ones, you guys. These smell so amazing. So I'm really excited to give this one a makeover. Look at that. We stand such a thick legend, you know what I mean? So as you can see, this one is orange. It kind of looks red on camera just because my settings on my camera is weird right now. But it is orange and it does smell exactly what it's named after, orange soda. And I'm really impressed with this. So I think with this one, should I turn it into a butter or a full Floam? I think I want to turn it into a butter slime. Let's turn it into a butter, you guys. Okay, so since these aren't like normal slimes, I think they're made of something else other than glue. But I want to try it out with a little piece of clay to see if it does combine together. Okay, so since it is orange, I'm gonna use yellow Daiso clay for this, because I feel like it would pop out more instead of using white. Because if I use white, then it is going to be a little bit like a bland color. So I am going to use a yellow Model Magic clay. Model Magic Daiso clay. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so here's the little piece of slime I'm going to use just in case it doesn't work out with the butter. So I'm sorry, there's a little stain right there. It doesn't want to come off. So yeah, I'm going to take a little piece of clay from my Daiso. So here's my little piece. Let's hope it works out. Okay, so something's happening. What is happening? Okay, so I feel like it's getting stiffer. Oh no. Okay, so it did get a little bit stiffer just because of Model Magic blended in with the slime. It did blend in. I'm not gonna lie, it did blend in, but the slime itself is stiff already. Let's see if we can add something to make it softer and more stretchy. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit of clear glue to this to see if it works. That's enough. And I'm just gonna mix it a little bit and see if that does anything. I feel like it is doing something, but I think, I don't know. I want to mix it into the whole entire slime because this texture is really cool and it's stretchy, but it's kind of stiff, if you know what I mean. Okay, so I'm gonna mix it into the whole piece now. Okay, so let me take this out and hopefully it works. So I am noticing it is starting to get a bit stiff, like the other piece I mixed it into. but it is getting softer. So I hope we can fix this with a little bit of like oil or like glue. No, I'm gonna add some glue because it is stiff. So I'm gonna add some clear glue, Elmer's. I think that's good, right? I don't know. So let's mix that in and hope for the best. Okay, you guys, so okay, so this one actually turned out really good. The only like downside to this is when I added the clay, it did become a bit stiff. So if you add clay, remember that it is gonna become a bit stiff. But other than that, it is really cool, you guys. I would honestly think this is one of my favorite slimes I've made over. I'm honestly, you guys, really shook. I honestly love this one. It's so soft. It's so buttery. I love everything about it. So this next one is called Orange Soda Grape Soda. Oh no, wait. What am I saying? Grape Soda Pop. And this one is probably one of my other favorites because it smells exactly like grape soda. So for this one, I do want to make it a little bit stickier because I am going to turn this one into a full Floam, and I'm really excited for that because who doesn't like a good Floam, you know what I mean? So I do want it to be a little bit sticky just so the foam beads can stick to it. So I'll be back and show you guys a little hack how to turn your slime stickier. So to make your slime a bit stickier, or like soften it up, all you need is hair gel. I'm gonna be using this clear hair gel. It's the Extreme Styling Gel. So I'm just gonna add a little bit, and yeah. Please let this work. I'm gonna add foam beads in now to see if it holds. So you guys, okay, so for this slime, it is the Karina Garcia one, don't worry, because it looks opaque, but I added a ton of lotion, you guys, because it wouldn't get sticky, and the beads kept falling out, so I had to add lotion, and after that, I had to add, what's it called, white glue also, because it wouldn't get sticky at all. So I did add white glue to it, and I also added a little bit more food coloring because it got super white. Not food coloring, I added paint. As you can see my hands, I added paint. And at the end it turned out really nice. I think I want to add more foam beads though, because I added white foam beads. And it looks okay, but I want to add purple ones. So I am going to add some giant foam. There you go. So that's that. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys liked it. I honestly really loved it. These slimes came out so awesome. I should have done this before, you know. If you guys want to see me turn more slimes into different slimes, you know what I mean, then go ahead and comment down below which slime or putty do you want me to transform. So yeah, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on my post notifications so you won't miss another video like this, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.